Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Theta. In my earlier videos, I've been showing you that after the breakout from this recent down channel, for a while the price line of Theta also broke out this very significant resistance line. That starts from $2.20 and goes to $2.55. But while retesting the previous resistance line as support line, almost 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we broke down the support here and we also tested this red line. That is exponential moving average 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. By the way, this EMA is very significant because previously it had been working as a very, very strong resistance here for several months. And after the breakout for several months, it had been working as a very, very strong support. And after the breakdown from the month of June 2024 up till the month of November 2024, it has been again flipped into a very strong resistance in those days. And now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support. You can see that here after breaking down this support zone, we tested this support of EMA 21 and geared up, and also tested this support of $1.71.5 as well. By the way, this was another quite long-term support that was previously working as a resistance here, and now it is working as a support. And here it had been also working as support as well. And at the same time, we are also having this very nice support of EM at 21. Right now, you can see that the pricing is once again trying to break out this resistance line because here in the mid of December 2024, we broke it down on this candlestick. The candlestick was also close below the support level, and now it is trying to break it out once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this previous big and long-term down channel as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Theta that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members on 29th of May 2022. And that was a very huge harmonic bullish reversal godly pattern that Theta formed on the monthly time frame chart. And this move is still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link of the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup a move, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see the complete trade setup, like the buying zone and the sell target zone here. Buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 27th of December 2024. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's start the analysis of Theta. And first of all, let me just show you this long-term trade setup that Theta has formed on the monthly time frame chart. And that is a very huge harmonic bullish reversal godly pattern that Theta has formed on the monthly time frame chart. And by the way, this trade signal I shared with my members on 29th of May, 2022. And this is a very big harmonic bullish reversal godly pattern that Theta has formed on a monthly time frame chart. You can see when I shared this signal at that time, the price line of Theta was moving at $1.14. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone. And by the way, the technical targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cardinal move start from $8.18 and goes to $13.21. By the way, here we have a key support of 57 cents. By mistake, I have mentioned here $57. This is 57 cents. Now let's move to the live chart of Theta. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it was moving inside this channel. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, another rejection, another bounce, and after a few more rejection, finally the price then broke out the resistance, and then we had a nice pump. By the way, the technical target that I've been telling you for this breakout was here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $3.82, and you can see that the price then rallied up to $3.35, very close to hit that target. And for a while, we also broke out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $2.20 and goes to $2.55. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for a few days after the breakout, the price has been testing this resistance zone as support zone, but here we broke it down. Even on the weekly time frame chart, the candlestick was also closed this support zone. And now, therefore, again, it is flipped into resistance, and now the price is once again trying to break it out. Here we also have a quite long-term support of exponential moving average 21, the EMA 21, that has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. for several months from the month of June 2024 up till the month of November 2024. And before that, for several months, it had been breaking at a very strong support from the month of October 2023 up till the month of June 2024. And before that, for several months, it had been breaking as a very, very strong resistance for the price line when it was moving inside this previous long-term down channel. And now, after the breakout, it is again flipped into a nice support. We had a bounce, very nice bounce here in the mid of December 2024, and now it is again very close to hit this EMA 21. And obviously, this EMA 21 is also moving to the upside, and it is possible that it may move slightly more up and provide the support somewhere here, possibly at $2.10, or it may also reach this level of $2.20, where we have the bottom of this support zone. Now, let's take a look at the target for the previous breakout from this big and long term down channel. You can see that previously we broke out this very big and long-term down channel, and before the breakout, we also formed this falling wedge pattern as well. And the price end has already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, but long-term target for the breakout from this down channel. That move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of this channel, somewhere between $16 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.